Zero Downtime, or ZDT, is an IoT application for FANUC products that can run in FANUC's field system. FANUC's field system is an open platform that enables access to vast amounts of data from equipment on the factory floor. Manufacturers are running factories 24/7, and any unexpected downtime is disruptive and expensive. ZDT leverages the power of big data to monitor health and maintenance requirements of FANUC products to prevent unexpected downtime. For example, ZDT collects information from FANUC products, monitors mechanical components and system controllers, as well as process equipment such as servo weld guns and paint components. ZDT has advanced optimization functions that can reduce energy usage, extend robot life, and improve cycle time. Partnering with Cisco, FANUC has securely extended the functionality of ZDT to send data to the cloud. With cloud connectivity, when an issue is predicted, ZDT automatically notifies FANUC's service team to take action, so parts and support can quickly be dispatched to the site and the issue can be resolved before unexpected downtime occurs. With cloud, new and improved analytic functions are easily deployed in the ZDT data center to immediately begin protecting all connected robots. ZDT leverages big data to analyze machine health, predict and prevent equipment failures, provide intelligent maintenance alerts, and optimize system performance. Adding the cloud improves FANUC's world-class customer service response time and enables the rapid expansion and refinement of ZDT analytic functions. With FANUC's field system, manufacturers can take advantage of applications like ZDT to improve the performance of their automation systems.